Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos from any Android. So first, open your Google Play Store, and when you type here on the search box, for example, like a photo recovery app, you can see a bunch of application right here that you can actually use to recover your files, photos, or videos on your mobile phone. But I suggest to download this app right here, which called the Disk Digger Photo Recovery. Then you have to install this app to recover your files. Then once you've done, you can now open this application. Now you can see right here the homepage of this Disk Digger app. Now as you can see, you have two options. You have the basic scan and the full scan right here. And you need to root required right over here. Could not detect the internal memory on your device. Tap the refresh button above to try again and make sure your device rooted properly. So as my device is not rooted properly or not rooted already, I only now use this basic scan right at the top. Now tap on the search for lost photos right here, and you need to grant it the permission. So you need to tap this, go to settings, and allow access to manage all files. Then go back, and then now starting to find the photos to recover. And finally, this scan completed. This digger has found 11,356 recovered or recoverable files right here. So you just want to choose the photos that you want to recover. So for example, I want to choose these 5 right here and tap on recover. And finally, the photos have been recovered on your files. So when you go over to your file manager, you can now see all the recovered photos on your device. So that's how you basically recover the photos on any Android. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next video.